mysterious things. Jesus and me, I'm being made to the image of beautiful you.